All right, guys. So far we've learned how to start a project and create a new timeline, and we've also learned how to add titles and transitions to our videos. So now what I want to teach you guys is how to add an audio track to your video. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to File, Import. All right, and I just downloaded this audio track today, so I'm going to go ahead and upload that one. It's just some like simple drums playing. It's nothing crazy. And I'm going to add that audio track to my file. So I could do it this way where I go in and out and I insert it, or I can drag it. If I know I'm going to want the audio track to be over my whole video, I usually just drag it because that's a little easier to do. Okay, and now I'm going to shorten that up. All right, and then I'm also going to do one more thing. I'm going to add an effect. Oops, wrong one. I'm going to add an effect to the end of my audio track so that it doesn't just like cut off, right? So we don't want our audio to just cut off. So I'm going to add an exponential fade right here. So it's under audio transitions. I'm going to add that to the end. And now if we play this video, we have a nice little background soundtrack. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I hope you guys have some fun editing, and I can't wait to see what you guys make.